joking. No, you're taking bro.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Manira. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be pranking a man. So at the moment he's out. God knows what he's doing. What I'm gonna be doing is, so I texted myself. Oh, you can't see it. And I'm using the name Malik. God knows who that is. Anyways, what I'm gonna be doing now is I will call him and see where he is and what he's doing.
Yeah, hello, babe.
Hello.
Yeah,
Wait.
I'm like 10-15 minutes away. I'm quickly helping someone do something and then I'm going to come.
Okay then, hurry up.
Do you want anything from shop?
No.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, I'll see you in a bit, yeah?
Alright, bye.
I love you, bye.
I love you too. It's coming. So we'll see you guys later. It's taking so long. Come in. You took forever. That shit, give me some. What's that? What's in it? Okay. Okay. What's that? Oh.
Where are you going?
Where's the shop?
Hmm?
Where's the shop?
What's that from the shop?
Change my mind. You know how I am. It took so long though. What?
Take it back.
This? What do I look like to you? Oh, your jacket is wet. Is it raining outside?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Don't put on my bed.
So pen. You should have just told me to get you whatever you wanted. I was gonna get it for you.
I forgot. I didn't know I wanted it.
Bro, I messed up my hair, bro.
Don't brown me. I'll beat you.
You know where I learned it from? You. He says brother every time.
I'm gonna come back, man. I'm gonna quickly go with it. Okay?
Hey.
I'm gonna quickly go and come back.
Don't take phone.
Okay. How am I forgetting my bag and my money? What the hell? Why are you looking at me like that? What do you mean? Don't give me my phone.
Stop, man. Who's this?
I'm not. What do you
You're
mean?
taking a piss, bro. Who's this?
Don't pull my phone like that, fam. It's in the
I
charge.
won't pull your phone. Who's this?
Would you that's my mum, bruv?
Since when was your mum's name Malik?
No, actually, oh, that's Malika.
Who's Malika?
Idiot, that's my friend.
I don't have a friend called Malika.
How do you know about my friend?
I wrote a stop. Well, I fuck get pissed off.
What do you mean? Get pissed about what? What's that?
So how's your friend calling you babes?
What do you mean? We call each other babes. You know how girls are.
So where you going now?
To shops.
So why does it say 20 minutes? I'll be with you for 20 minutes.
That was last time, man. That was like how many?
That's today.
Anyways, give me my phone, man. I'm not joking about with you.
Stop fucking about. Who's that, man?
No one. Anyway, I'm my Oyster.
You're taking a piss, you know that?
How am I taking a piss?
Babes, I'm not about. Who's this? Well, I'm not joking. Who's this? He texted you right now. I'm waiting. You're taking long. Heart.
Give me my phone, man. Ask it. It's no one. That's my friend. I'm meeting her outside.
So your friend has sent you all these emojis,
Yeah.
X's,
Yeah.
and okay. That's cool.
No.
I'm not joking. No, you're taking a piss, bro.
Who are you jumping on like that, fam? No. You're not calling no one, fam. I'm joking. Ask it again.
But
I'm not calling no. You're not calling anyone, bro.
but bro,
No.
leave it. If it's your friend, say to her, come through there.
Listen.
You're taking a piss, you know.
Ask it again. No, don't let it. Hang up. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where are you going? Stand on your face.
Don't touch me.
Stand on your face. Where you go? Wait, come here, man. Where you going?
Stop the butt.
I'm really pushing. Are you okay? Come in.
I'm not joking, you know that. Don't touch me.
Okay,
don't touch me. Who's that then?
It's my friend Malika.
Okay, go. Marie.
No. What do you mean go? Come on, ask me next. Where are you going right now? Where are you going? It's a prank. It's a prank. Come back here. Come back here. It's a prank. Come.
Who's that?
Come on, I'll tell you.
It's not funny.
It's a prank. You just got pranked by who?
It's not prank. Where's the fun?
You just got pranked. So like you had to wash your face as well.
So who's this then? Whose number is this? Whose number is this?
Don't worry.
Whose number is this then?
That's Malik. I'm joking. It's a prank.
I'm not even joking.
It's a prank. I'm joking, man.
Who's this then?
Oh, you're still calling it? Oh.
Hello? Hello?
It's Trixie.
Who's this? Oh, it's Trixie. I didn't even think he was gonna prank, you know that? We didn't even have to start you.
Oh my god. I don't care. You just got pranked by me. How do you feel?
Well, actually, I was
Okay, how do you feel?
I was speaking to myself, yeah? What the fuck is happening? I'm confused.
How do you feel?
I feel because the love of my life. It's not funny. It's not funny. Tell her like it's a prank now. So if I check it, it's a prank.
You just called her.
I don't know.
And it was Trixie.
I don't know if that's Trixie. All I heard is his voice.
How do you feel now? You just pranked.
And you look. Yeah?
Go to the other thing.
You know, she wants to start pranking us with Eamon. You
Team Munira. Team what? Team what?
Eamon.
No, team what? Team what?
Munira. Anyways,
Team Munira in the cup. What?
you look. I didn't even know what like the prank in it. I was thinking this YouTube thing didn't start proper. You get me? How did you even come up with that idea?
Don't worry.
Anyways,
Don't ask
I'm
questions.
gonna get you back. You get me?
No, you can't.
If you lot,
Team Munira.
no. If you lot think,
Team Munira.
if you lot think she got me, leave it down in the comments below, innit? But guess what? Man's gonna get you back.
Team what though?
Team Eamon and
Team what?
Munira, hey, you won. You got me. Look, I like my heart's beating fast.
Oh my god.
It's not funny.
Oh, it's okay, baby. I will never do that.
Anyways, you lot. If you lot think she's done me good, give it a like.
Comment.
If you never give it a thumbs down.
No, don't say that. Give it a like, guys.
Yeah. Turn on your post notification. Turn your post notification on. You get me? Make sure you lot, if you didn't subscribe. And yeah. Nah, you know what? I'm not gonna watch this video. Just make sure.